the biggest fruits and vegetables ever created. Paul Rochester's 21.5 pounds leek. Paul Rochester's impressive talent for gardening, inherited from his father, Wilfred, has yielded an array of exceptionally large vegetables. Among his achievements is a remarkable 21.5 pounds leek, reminiscent of a miniature palm tree, which not only set records but also sparked the fascination of gardening aficionados globally. Paul attributes his success to a blend of traditional gardening methods and an unexpected source of inspiration, swing music by Glenn Miller. Aaron Schemmel's 11-pound lemon. Aaron Schemmel grew a massive lemon weighing 11 pounds, 9.7 ounces, breaking records. This shows how much you can achieve in a regular backyard garden. His lemon story proves that nature has endless potential and that dedicated gardeners can do amazing things. It makes us think about how strong citrus trees are and how many different kinds there are all over the world. Also, Aaron's success reminds us how important it is to support each other and share our excitement when we reach big milestones in farming. Doug Meyer's 7-pound grapefruit. Doug Meyer's massive grapefruit, weighing in at a whopping 7 pounds, 14.6 ounces, highlights the amazing results of hard work in gardening. Doug's giant grapefruit, with its impressive size and roundness, makes us marvel at the beauty of nature. Christine McCallum's 18-pound pineapple. Christine McCallum's surprise find of a giant 18 pounds and 25 pence pineapple in her garden shows how hard work in gardening can lead to amazing surprises. Christine loves growing pineapples, partly to keep her garden safe from nosy visitors. Her dedication pays off with this huge fruit, breaking records. Tony Glover's 18-pound onion. Tony Glover grew an extraordinary onion, weighing 18 pounds and 11 ounces. This huge vegetable challenges what we usually think about how big onions can get. It shows how much difference it makes when you grow plants in the best possible conditions. Tony is really passionate about gardening in greenhouses, and he takes great care of his plants. His hard work paid off with this incredible harvest, which has impressed and intrigued other people who love gardening. Ken Date's 113.7 pounds marrow. Ken Date's massive marrow, tipping the scales at an incredible 113.7 pounds, shows how trying new things in your own backyard garden can lead to amazing results. Ken started out just gardening for fun, but now he holds a world record. His story proves that if you love what you're doing and keep at it, you can achieve incredible things. Ken's achievement is a reminder to other gardeners to think outside the box and see what amazing things they can grow. Dan McCoy's 8 pounds and 41 pence tomato. Dan McCoy's exceptional tomato, weighing in at 8 pounds and 41 pence, exemplifies the potential for agricultural innovation and excellence in even the most challenging growing environments. Dan's determination to break records in tomato cultivation reflects a deep-seated passion for horticulture and a commitment to pushing the limits of what is possible. Scott Robb's 138 pounds and 25 pence cabbage. Scott Robb's colossal cabbage, weighing an impressive 138 pounds and 25 pence, showcases the remarkable diversity of vegetable cultivars and the potential for extraordinary growth under optimal conditions. Scott's dedication to producing record-breaking cabbages demonstrates the transformative power of skilled cultivation techniques and environmental stewardship.